everybody, it's your boy Killer's Real, and I'm back giving y'all another video. I think I'm gonna call this video cooking with Quile. So let's get started. Today we are gonna be making some, well, I have some chicken wings, so I'm gonna fry them. Hooters, breading. So yeah, I'm gonna try some Hooter wings today, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started now. Just to show y'all here, I have my deep fryer preheating, so go ahead and get these out of here. Got that. Then I already rinsed my chicken off. I rinsed my chicken off, and then I washed like the rest of the dishes in my sink because I didn't want like that contamination to be going on. So, and I have about, I'm gonna use it all. I'm gonna use the bag, y'all, because I don't want to use that whole thing. So I have 3 chicken wings that I'm cooking tonight, and I guess I'll do it up here so y'all can see. I'm cooking 3 chicken wings, but I kind of cut them up into halves, drums, and wing flats, whatever. What y'all call them? What y'all do? Oh shit, I'm making a mess. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of this in the fridge. Okay. Now you gotta be careful. Okay, and I have the chicken right here. I rinsed off all 6 pieces, so. But for this, I'm gonna go ahead and salt and pepper these wings. I hate applying salt because I can't really see it, so that's always a thing. But so the thing about me and cooking, I hate cooking because I always feel like I'm cooking too much or I'm making too much or whatever. So that's always the reason why I don't like to cook. But I'm trying to get into cooking because, you know, I am living by myself, so, and I have a kitchen, so it'll cost less to buy food and cook it. So that's the reason why I'm trying to get into cooking now. So yeah, I'm just trying it out. Oh Lord. I mean, I could cook, like I could make some stuff. Like I know how to cook to survive. I just don't like it. Like I just don't like cooking. Okay, I think I got all of my pieces. And I'm gonna leave the rest of them for tomorrow. Hands one more time because I wash my hands every time I cook raw meat. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 6 pieces of chicken in this bag here. I'm gonna be old fashioned. I'm gonna take this bag here and I'm gonna just shake this thing on up. Are covered in batter. Get it covered. And we hit that grease. I also want to try the mustard, like with the mustard. I'm sorry, like I'm like dipping up under here. But I do want to try like the fried chicken with the mustard, so because I got a habit of not like closing my cabinets. I'm tired, y'all. I'm sorry. So we're just waiting there for this deep fryer to tell us that it's ready for us to drop these wings and things. And I'm also gonna make some tots with it. Let me see. Yeah, I got a bag of tots, so, but I don't know. I'm thinking I'm low-key wanting some mashed potatoes, and I think I got some of them. Let me see. Oh no 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 no. It's broccoli and cheddar rice. That's not mashed potatoes. That's some plain rice. And I love you, baby, you, baby. And I'm not trying to let go. Baby, baby, I'm fine. You, baby, and I'm not trying to let go. Alright, y'all. Alright. We got our green light. Because if you want to, you got the green light. So I'm about to go ahead. I just wanted y'all to see this like in the front. So I'm about to drop these wings in the grease. I just wanted y'all to see. It's gonna be a beautiful thing, So we letting them pump. We're gonna let these pump for about 15 minutes. And we'll be back after these messages. Alright, so looks like my wings are done. Ooh, they look good, y'all. Oh. I can't do this one. So those are my pieces of chicken, and I gotta put these tots in here. These ain't gonna take long to cook. Alright, so these are done. Let those cool off for a little bit. Alright, and this is my meal. I ain't got no vegetables tonight, but I am gonna make vegetables tomorrow. Maybe I'll record me cooking tomorrow, who knows. But this is just some Hooters breaded chicken with some tots. All fried. And it's gonna be fried tomorrow. I'm so stereotypical. I'm so sorry. But if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure that you comment and just let me know what's y'all favorite way to make chicken, y'all. Comment in the comment section below. Much love, and until next time, peace.